Hello, welcome back to another little episode of my camper conversion. Today I'm installing the diesel heater. It's a hot air heater. It is a Chinese one. Cost me £110 off of eBay, and I'll just showing you how I've installed it. What I did was I took the box that came in the cab behind the driver's seat. I think it was an old toolbox. And what I've done, I've actually installed the heater inside this. I've cut a hole in the end for air intake. I have a hole in the side, which is the electrics in. And I've actually mounted the heater inside the box. As can be seen, this is the outlet for the hot air. Fits quite nicely inside. It's all bolted in. On the bottom of it, I've drilled it. It's got the plates on it. I've fuel pipe, exhaust pipe, air intake pipe are all in it. And what I would do, when it's mounted, it would drop through the floor and it'll be mounted under our bed section through these holes here. So the box would sit just there, as you can see the outline I've drawn around it. Then everything else would just enter outside. The fuel pump would be outside in its own little box. I have a tank outside, which is a auxiliary tank, and that'll feed the diesel for that. The reason I put it in a box is hopefully it keeps some of the noise down, and being in a box is slightly fireproof. So if we did have an accident, at least I got some way of containing it. This is the fuel tank. They'll be supplying the fuel for that heater. Directly above here is the bed space, the garage space under the bed. And this is where the holes drop through. It drops through the bed. As you can see, I have an aluminium bed, so that even though the comms box has its own floor, I have a small gap between the two, which has got an aluminium bed on it, just to keep most of the weather off of it. Being aluminium, it's quite light, and also it means that if I ever did sell the lorry, I could always lift my habitation box straight off. It becomes a flatbed lorry again, and the habitation box is completely separate. Thank you for watching. I'll update on the next video when I've installed it.